Hi, in this video, you will learn how to set up the Norton Password Manager app on your Android device. Open the Google Play Store. Search for Norton Password Manager. Select the Norton Password Manager app, then tap Install. When the installation finishes, tap Open. Read the License and Services Agreement, then tap Continue. Tap Sign In. Enter your email address. You can sign in with a one-time code sent to your email address. If this email address is linked to your Norton account, you can sign in with your account password. You can also sign in with your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account. After you enter your password, tap Sign In. If you have not created your vault yet, the Create Your Vault screen appears. Tap Create. Enter a strong, unique vault password that meets the listed requirements and is not used for any other account. Tap Continue. Re-enter your vault password to confirm it. Add a hint for vault password to recall the password at a later stage. Read and accept the terms. Tap Create Now. Tap Continue Setup. To receive important information from Norton, tap Enable. When prompted, tap Allow to allow notifications. To turn on autofill, tap Open Settings. Find and tap Norton Password Manager. Tap OK. Tap Enable to enable autofill in Chrome. Select Autofill using another service. Tap Restart Chrome to apply the changes. Now go back to the app and tap Close. That's it. The setup is now complete. Your Norton Password Manager vault is ready to store your information. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.norton.com.